How to properly use your tow haul mode. So the biggest benefit to engaging your tow haul mode in your vehicle when towing absolutely anything is going to be it reduces the transmission's tendency to try and hunt between two gears. So what I mean by that is when you are actually climbing up a hill, whether it's a mild incline, mild decline, steep decline, and you have something towing at the back, it actually allows you to switch your transmission's gears easier. So what that does, when you are on your decline, it actually will shift down early for you to provide engine braking and to help prevent overtaking or overheating of the brakes. Let's check and see how the tow and haul mode button actually works. We're gonna switch into our tow haul mode by clicking our tow haul mode button. It's gonna activate it, showing me up here in my digital cluster that it in fact is in tow and haul mode. So as I'm climbing up what I would call a mild incline, it's actually going to delay my shift into a higher gear by letting my lower gears perform at higher speeds. So right away you can tell that the engine is not trying to shift into any higher gear other than second, maybe third gear. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to drive at a higher speed at a lower gear. Super, super easy. Very, very good on the engine life and the transmission life, your brakes, everything.